it's the WeatherPro EAS here, and it's a sad day along with
me, SPC Playfield.
And good hot chocolate.
wxradio. Yep.
I want to show my face.
Yeah. And both WeatherPro and wxradio are going to be destroying their WR100 version 5's.
Yes. Wait,
Yeah, and don't ever do this to your weather radios, okay? Do not ever do this to your weather radios.
Yeah, do not.
They do not work. They bought it with their own money. So they're legally allowed to do it. And they're doing it because they can.
Yeah, don't do this at home, guys. We're pros. Don't
Exactly.
Do this at home. We're pros.
Yeah, they're both. Yeah, the V5s are notorious for their infamous squeal of doom.
Yeah, guys, I'm planning on getting a version 3.
Once he can find one on eBay.
Yeah, get a version 3.
Yeah, stay away from the version 5s. Do not get a V5, whatever you do.
We're gonna start with a scissor. All right, hold on.
Ooh, my typical destruction method.
WeatherPro, I'll be right back. Hold on.
I used to use scissors to destroy things.
Oh, made some scratches. Look at that.
Already scratching the screen.
Oh my god.
Well. And of course, Windows on my school computer doesn't even care that it has to do updates. Even though my district blocked them, so.
So, and then stay tuned, because after we do it,
Both of their WR100s don't work. They're doing the squeal of doom.
just cut that.
Yeah, WeatherPro had that thing for not even a week, I don't think. I think he had it for like less than a week. Yeah, less than a week, and that was it.
Oh my god.
That is an insane amount of scratches on the screen.
That is so expensive.
Well,
I'm by New York, and I'm back sick.
WX-Ray is doing his 100. He's already slamming it on the ground.
Whoa, I opened it.
You actually cut it open?
No. Let's try to cut off a corner of this thing.
Cut off a corner? Well, I believe that thing is plastic, so I think trying to cut off a corner with ordinary scissors is going to be difficult. Trying to cut off a corner cutting off a corner with ordinary scissors is going to be a challenge.
Look at the back there.
It's actually cutting.
See all that now?
Oh,
Hey guys, I'm sticking a scissor in the antenna.
in the external antenna port.
I'm gonna try to get this piece out right here.
The port.
Alright, let's see if this thing still works.
I highly doubt it will now at this point.
Oh my god! I broke it!
Wow, it's like out of place.
Oh! It still works!
Unbelievable.
And look at this, it still works.
Is there anything? Oh, there is still something on the screen.
It still works.
Wow. I'm impressed.
There we go. Broke it off.
There's the faceplate.
took it off. Now just.
What's he gonna do now? Cut it into pieces with scissors?
I gotta go eat now. No,
Yeah, it's the WR100 without a faceplate. It doesn't even have it does not even have a screen. It does have a faceplate.
Now let's destroy the warning button.
Or rather the lights.
Don't destroy the LEDs. I gotta go eat, guys. Bye.
Did you just break the? Did you just break this? Did you just shatter the display? I think he just shattered the display. Yeah, I think he shattered the display. So now he's putting like 50,000. Now he just put like 50,000 scratches on there. Look at that. And there you go. That's the opening right there. Right there, that exposed the internals. WR100 is experiencing the squeal, so now he's breaking it. Oh boy, I'm pretty sure that screen is cracked by now. I'm pretty sure that display would be rendered useless at this point. I'm gonna combine it all into one part. Yeah, the faceplate is completely ripped off and scratched. I don't know what he's peeling off.
Jeez.
Oh, I think it's those lights. The warning watch advisory lights. I think that's what he's ripping off. Oh, yep, that's the light, all right. That's all the lights.
No, that's the screws. That's the screws, bro.
Oh, up close, like, okay, I see. Now he's gonna pull it open. There's the inside of it.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, God.
So right here is the tuner. This place, this is wiggly, so that's why. I wonder if I pull it out.
Yes, it's out now.
What about this?
Oh, yay, he's gonna cut the motherboard.
I don't know.
Why, man?
Well, that thing ain't gonna power on ever again.
I cut the wire.
Yep. That thing ain't gonna power on ever again.
Yeah, now.
And 3, 2. Boom.
That's it. Not gonna work
3,
anymore.
2, 1.
That's the other
Go.
wire.
Alright.
That's what it reminds me of.
Look at that. WR100.
Youngstown EAS.
My God. Good Lord.
Now it's time to
That thing is
cut
not
the wires
powering
for
on
this thing
anymore.
then.
Yeah, that's to the that's to the
audio.
speaker.
Well, there goes the audio.
Yep.
There goes the audio.
It doesn't work ever again, so there ain't gonna be sound out of it anyway. There goes all the remaining wires.
It is all gone. Now throw the other stuff is just complete. Nah.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna destroy this. Oh my god.
Oh God. No. That thing is
Did I just do it?
gone.
Did you just break the speaker? Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, that's a piece of the speaker, all right.
Yeah. What
Boom, boom.
did these
Oh God.
Hit it against the wall. Boom, boom, boom. I can only imagine him doing that, and oh my God.
I'm pretty sure the wall would be broken too.
The sound it will make. Everything would break, including the bodywork of it. It would all break.
Uh-huh.
It's so
Next
old.
on the
Oh God, what else are you about to break? You're breaking literally everything.
Buttons.
He's gonna
Oh,
pull
God.
the buttons out.
Okay, I want to save the weather and snooze button, but very carefully. I'll keep it.
Why? You're literally breaking all the buttons. What's the point? It's useless. Just pull it out and just stick it on the wall. It'll be fine.
Kind of like what I did with the Spider-Man flying helicopter after I broke it. I hung some of its pieces to the wall.
Fix it. What?
Why would you want to fix it? Oh my gosh.
You cut like literally every. It's impossible. You cut every single wire.
Stop giving Playfield more work than he already has. I'm glad I'm not recording. I don't have to do all that work. Jeez. Only editing about a few words out already is bad. Yeah, it already takes about 20 to do at least a few of them. Up in this. Imagine if you just put batteries
Okay,
in
I'm
it and
pressing
just
all
set it.
the buttons on here for the last time.
They're probably bent now. Okay, press them.
With whatever.
Boom.
That's it.
You're not destroying it. I'm just gonna clean up my mess then. Because make sure you keep your room clean.
Exactly.
Guys. Count down with me, guys. 5, 4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
0.
In the trash.
Bye.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Bye.
And there it goes.
Oh, let's destroy the thing for the battery.
The battery cover. One of the only remaining relics of this thing. With scissors again.
Are you serious right now?
He's cutting that thing up with
Are you
scissors.
recording all this? Playfield, are you serious?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god. I'm surprised you're still recording. Goodness. With scissors. Nah, you're gonna need something more. Go get a hammer. I need to get a hammer. It'll be so
No, I don't even think a hammer's gonna do anything. A screwdriver. That's probably not gonna be a good idea for your desk. WeatherPro just wrecked the power cord of his WR100 and now he's wrecking the battery cover.
He just broke the
You could have at least saved that for like an extra power cord, you know? Like if he's, yeah.
This isn't the scissors, dude. Shut up.
This guy is
God.
literally destroying his radio because he's angry with what? He's rage destroying his radio
Maybe.
because of his
He's
anger.
probably angry because it didn't work.
He was so angry that he destroyed
Hey,
his
guys.
radio because
Guys.
he still
Guys, guess what? Guess what we have right here? Cut the power cord.
No.
It's a
This is
cord.
my computer charger cord. Buy me a what?
No.
Well, then you probably would not be able to charge your computer ever again if you broke that.
I'm gonna write my name on my desk with the scissors.
Really? Oh my god.
Hey, I wrote my name on my desk.
And now you got good scratches. Now you got good scratches on your desk.
Now his desk has scratches.
The LCD is leaking.
You know what? I'm gonna solo wxradio's screen if he's showing it.
Hot chocolate. Let's put some hot chocolate on it.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's a broken LCD right there. Now he's breaking it even more.
What should I do with it, guy?
What did you just put on? What is that?
Throw it out the window.
Throw it out the window, WeatherPro.
What is that?
Looks like
What is that?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate on the...
Hot chocolate.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Now
goodness.
let's drink it.
WX Radio's WR100 still works.
WR100.
Yay, that was so good.
Okay.
This screen doesn't even
like this.
work.
Yes.
WeatherPro, come here, I love you.
Yeah, look at that. Nothing on the screen at all.
We're not
Holy crap! Where's the crap?
Guys, put me girls way up for a second again. We go from hot chocolate to marshmallows.
Oh, jeez. Wait, what the heck? Oh, God. What was that? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Melt the plastic on the battery cover? What are you trying to do? Melt the plastic on the battery cover?
Hey guys, instead of using
It's still making it noise.
One. Oh!
It just broke it even more.
It's still plugged in. It still works.
It's still alive.
And I can actually see what it's scrolling.
I can see the words there.
I can see a little sliver of no message.
3, 2, 1.
What are you trying to do? Drill through the screen?
No, I'm just trying to like shatter this.
Oh, shatter the display?
Turn it back on.
It's already on.
You know what?
Oh yeah, it's getting worse.
I'm kind of bored. Guys, I'm kind of bored, so if we have solo way up for a second, I'm gonna break this too.
No!
Is that a power cord or something?
Yeah, that's the other end of the WR100 power cord he cut off.
Not a tag.
Oh, this is the end of the old. Sorry.
Don't do it, WeatherPro. You can save that for like if you get you can save that. Like just in case. By the way, that won't cut. Let's cut the carpet.
Oh God!
Yeah.
Why would you cut the? Oh no!
No, WeatherPro, what have you done?
Oh my goodness!
Hey. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Mr. Seven Hands. Oh yeah, I've seen. Oh yeah, I remember New Age Server Alarm using that tool.
Yeah, he has one of those. That's why I got one of these.
Yeah, he used that to test one of those smoke detectors in his fire alarm setup. Yeah, 7 screwdrivers in one, and they fold out.
It still works.
What in the world?
Why is it still active?
The warning light no longer works.
Still lights are still on.
The warning light no longer works.
Wait, we could stop the string radio because that's the string.
Here you go. still works though.
The Metros
Still works.
It's wrecked even more. Now there's barely anything.
Don't